Okay, welcome back YouTube. It's been a while since we made a repair video, and today we have the Honda eu7000i, one of the most popular super quiet generators there are on the market. So one of the first things our customers always ask us with a no start condition on the generator is, what do we do? So the first simple thing that you could do if you want to decide to tackle a project is change the fuel filter. You might want to ask, where's the fuel filter on a generator? Well, it's right up here on top of the fuel tank. This is what it looks like when it's clean and new. And these are the tools that you will need to change the fuel filter. 10mm socket, needle nose, and a flathead. So the first thing that we will do is take off the 10mm bolt on the side cover. Now, there's two other bolts which are hidden underneath the rubber covering the cover. Lift up the cover and unscrew the 10mm nuts. Once they're off, you can pull the cover up. You put this here to the side. Now you have two holding brackets which hold your fuel pump. We're going to remove the four 10mm nuts. Once the nuts are off, we're going to remove the holding brackets. Now we have the electric which powers the pump. We're going to push down on the tab and gently pull it out. On the other side is where the fuel comes out. So you have the fuel connector. You have a plastic safety tab here, which you need to lift up gently and remove it. Now the connector itself has two tabs, which you need to push in and gently remove. So we have the connector out. Once the connector is out, the fuel pump is ready to be pulled out. What you're going to do is slowly pull it up and pull it out on an angle. Okay, once it's out, you can see the old fuel filter. And if you want to compare it to the new one, this is the new one, this is the old one. You can see how black it is. And Honda recommends you change this fuel filter every 500 hours. Or on a no start condition, this is probably one of the first items you want to look at before deciding to take it to a dealer for further inspection. So to remove the old filter, it has two tabs. You got to gently lift them up and twist the filter to remove it. You got to be careful with this because they could easily crack off. Okay, you will remove it and you will see the O-ring there. You must use the new O-ring that comes with the new fuel filter. We had just put this on, so we're not going to be changing it. So what you want to do here is put the fuel filter back, and you want to face the angle that it was located in. Just like that. So now we're ready to reinsert it. Make sure your rubber, which is underneath your fuel pump, is mounted in the flange. Okay, we're gonna put it back in on an angle, so you're gonna need to slide it in gently without breaking the filter. Mount it so that the electric is on the right side here and the fuel connector is on the left. We're gonna push the connector back in here to get our electric going. And we're gonna put our fuel tab back in. We need to open the tabs to get it connected. So now it's connected. You want to put our safety back in. Gently put the safety back in. Okay, now that we have it connected, we're going to put our holding bars back in. Now that we got the holding bars in, we're going to screw them down with our 10mm socket. Now we're ready for our cover. We're going to put our 10mm nuts back on underneath the rubber. We're going to put the side bolt in, and then we're going to tighten everything down. All right, we're going to come over to the front and give it a whirl. Back to running condition. So this is one item that you can tackle yourself before taking it to a dealer. If you have any further questions on the Honda eu7000i, you can give us a call or look us up at www.rprentals.com. Thanks.